Hi guys, today we will be checking out the two different QCY wireless ANC Bluetooth earbuds. Both are recently released ANC earbuds by QCY. The earbuds are packaged nicely in their signature QCY box. Let's check out first, the QCY HT03 ANC Bluetooth earbuds. Inside the box, you will find one charging case, along with a pair of HT03 Bluetooth earbuds. Packed nicely on a plastic packaging. One set of earbud tips of different sizes is provided, along with a USB-C charging cable to charge up the earbud casing. A user guide is also provided to help users set the device up. All packed neatly in the product packaging. Next I will unbox the T13 earbuds. Inside the box, there will be a T13 charging case. Inside the charging case, you will find a pair of white T13 Bluetooth earbuds. Next out is a pack of earbud tips of different sizes, along with a USB-C charging cable for the casing. A user guide is provided for guidance as usual. All packed neatly in the product packaging. Let's check out first the HT03 Bluetooth earbuds. The battery charging case looks really sleek and stylish in classic black with a glossy finish to it. The earbuds also come in a glossy black finish that looks pretty high quality. The earbuds are easily rechargeable. Just slot both earbuds in their dedicated slots and it will recharge with a red LED light glowing to show it's charging. When you press the button at the back of the charging case, it will activate the battery level indicator to check the battery level of the charging case. The earbuds are easily connected over Bluetooth. Fast and easy. Control the volume, playlist and more, hands-free. Following up, let's check out the QCY T13 earbuds. I have it in chic white, which has an amazing glossy finish. Inside, it will contain the pair of QCY T13 earbuds, each sitting in its own dedicated slot. The casing and presentation looks seamless and neat on the QCY T13. The charging port is at the back of the earbuds charging case to recharge the battery casing pack. When the earbuds are recharging, the indicating lights will light up signaling it's charging up. Pairing is simple too, like the HT03, the T13 earbuds connects promptly over Bluetooth on my device. Fast and simple. When I wear it on, the T13 earbuds feel smooth, and lightweight and thin in design, so I won't feel the ache when wearing it for long hours. The sound quality is amazing, beats are strong and powerful. Controls too. Where I can use it to control the volume, playlists and activate my device's voice assistant. The T13 also has quick charging for fast charging speeds to allow me to get my earbuds charged up promptly. Overall a good range of design and features on the T13 earbuds. Next, did you know the users can sync the QCY earbuds to the official app on the App Store? Pair it over the app by selecting your earbud model like what I am doing here, and follow the on-screen instructions. I managed to get my earbuds paired with the app in a minute or two, straightforward and simple. In-app, there are many different settings where I can see the battery level amongst other settings. In-app, I can see many different EQ modes available, like pop, bass, rock and soft. Also, I can custom set my EQ settings to how hard or soft I want my music to be with the equalizer setting page. Great option for music enthusiast. Custom set the touch motion controls to set what action occurs after a tap motion. Lots of customizable settings only available in-app. Overall, I find the QCY HT03 and T13 Bluetooth ANC earbuds a good selection of earbuds at an affordable price point. If you want to know more about these two earbuds, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.